Once you have all of your video and image elements on your timeline, you're ready to start doing some editing. The first thing I would do is put in any text that you might need. So you might want to have a title. I would trim it to make it fit in your spot, and you're just going to double click. So anytime you want to change anything about an element on your timeline, you double click on it, and I can do things like make it larger. I can change color, and I can make all my changes. Okay. You might also want to have some captions on top of something in your video. So right here we can see it says that. I'm going to double click on this again to change what it says, and make any other changes. So if you want to change the color, it would be underneath palette. One thing that kind of confuses people is if this gets put on top, if the video gets put on top, you're not going to be able to see the words. It's just like a stack of paper. Whatever's on top is what you're going to see. So if I make a change here, whatever's on top of that pile is going to be what actually shows up. If you want to make any other changes, so here's a green screen, so I can double click on this. If I want to remove that screen, you could go to this keying section and get the eyedropper and remove that color. Okay, so then I could double click down here. Let's say I want to make this video a little bit smaller and make it fit in my screen exactly. I can do that. I could double click. I could change. Oh, this is a picture. How big the picture is. If it's a video, here's a video. I could change how fast that video is going. So now you can see that definitely speeded things up, and it made it take a lot less time on the timeline. You can highlight multiple things and move them all at once, so that's a big time saver. If you want audio, I would grab something that you can listen to them that meets the mood of your video. So let's say this is what I want. You can just drag that down here. You can control how loud it is with this. So audio, just drag it down into here. You're going to want to change your length to make it fit exactly what you're talking about with your things. So that's how you change the length. If you want to put in some transitions, you can go to here, and I suggest a transition something like this, where they just kind of fade into each other. All right, instead of something like this. Now that would be fine if you're doing something like in the circus, but if it doesn't meet the theme of your video, I wouldn't put anything in kind of crazy like that. If you do want to do a voiceover or record yourself, this record right here will record a video. This narrate right here will let you talk over the top of your video. So add your different elements, then we're gonna just work on making it exactly the way we want it. Remember to make any changes, you're gonna double click on it, but right now you're gonna go in and add all those final touches to your video.